So this is just a recap for live stream 202. As we can see, we've had a positive day. The day could have been better if we would have managed our trades a little bit different, but we're not going to complain too much on having a decent day. The breakdown of P&L based on instrument can be seen on this right panel here. As you can see, we've picked up 20 there on ES, 45,982 on NQ, and we actually lost on gold today. So let's just have a look at some of the trades here. Only took a couple. So we had a short trade here on NQ. Price went in our favor, down to 74s. I think the target was down at around about 58, I think it was at the time. Price retraced. I didn't like the fact how price action was developing, especially when I saw a fairly large candle over on, where was it? It was a large candle at the time. I think it was this one here on ES. So ended up closing the position. Price came down. I thought, well, didn't hit the stop all the way up at 52. Came close, didn't quite get it, so decided to go short. Saw this candle, followed by this candle here, which was green at the time, as you can see by this wick. Decided to get out because I thought price would retrace back up towards the highs. It did not. Almost immediately prices turned around, so took a loss there, 13,750. That's before commissions. Took another smaller loss right there. Price went down. That was frustrating. Got another setup on this candle. Got it on the retracement, so went short. Added to the position. Target was eventually hit. Over on ES, similar trade. Went short. On the slight retracement, added to the position. Now, this trade was mismanaged on my part. The target was down at 1175. I decided to get out, and it was pretty much, I hit the target over here on NQ. And we did have a fair bit to go on ES, but there was no reason to get out, but I decided to get out. I got out, realized my mistake, placed the orders to get back in. Just never happened. Prices sold off and picked up what would have been a target, so left about 15.5 on this early exit, which I should not have taken on ES. Over on gold, only the one trade, which ended up being a loser. Saw prices set up, got in as prices went down, so bad fill. Prices turned around immediately, held the position, held the position, held the position, and eventually decided to get out. Pretty close to where it would have been a stop out, and that was pretty much it. Lost 7,233 there on gold. There was a setup over here, but that's why it's important to look at the overall context of the market, because even though the market was going down, seems that we've gone into a bit of a range from about 9:14 Eastern Standard Time. Got into a bit of a range through here. So if we took the short would require a break of these lows and head towards those lows down there. As we can see in hindsight, prices turned around in the other direction. We'll have a look at the trade performance here. So over on the trade performance, we can see the drawdown that we went into on the NQ trades. We drew down minus 23,607. After which we, through a series of successful trades, we were able to build our equity back towards its highs, and we've picked up 58 here, 58,777. We'll have a look at the summary page. Over on summary page, we can see we've got a healthy profit factor, 3.49, fairly low commissions, total gains, total losses. Some of the losses were avoidable, but those were the losses there. Accuracy is pretty okay. Average win bigger than average loss. It's pretty nice. Largest win smaller than largest loss. Not great, it's not ideal. Time in the market about 7:44, almost 8 minutes. We're pretty happy with that. that's the type of that's what we're looking for, to be in the market somewhere around that 8 to 18 minutes or so on each trade. So it's worked itself out in our favor. The conditions have been ideal today. We've had a sell-off, of course. Could have managed trades a little bit different, but I'm not going to complain. And what I'll do is I will have the live stream on a video. Probably normally have a video on the right hand corner of the screen as a bit of a card if you want to rewatch the live stream. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.